Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
On the inside, ooh, this go crazy. Whoever did this route, they wrapped the hell out this car. Got the forged carbon right there. You already know. Gang, y'all on YouTube? Y'all watch YouTube videos? YouTube? Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah. Hey man, what's up? What's up, man? My name Pablo Savage. I'm out here working, promoting my YouTube channel. She said you do YouTube too.
That's right.
So
that's right.
I think we should support each other if you don't mind.
Yeah, let me get it in. Let's record each other and support each other, man.
Yeah, well, shout yours out first.
I got you, man. YouTube Lightning Blue Eco. All right, I got a Mustang EcoBoost 2018 Lightning Blue Eco.
Okay. Let's see. Pull you up right here.
I got you.
And brother.
That's it, because I started, man, I remember it was like earlier in the awesome, man.
Yeah, man.
It was early in the year, man, I started coming out first car show. I was like, bro, I gotta get this on video.
Yeah, it's lit, ain't it?
I'm from a small town, so stuff like this I've never even seen before. I'm looking around like, what in the world is going on?
Yes, sir. But this is what we gotta come see so we can achieve these things too. You know what I'm saying?
Here and I'm like, 100%, one of these achievable one day.
Facts, facts.
But watch, in a few years, 10 years, it don't matter how long it takes, we're gonna get these.
Facts.
Remember, we're gonna come back and
look.
like, look back at that video where I saw it.
Like, that's lightning over. Y'all see that thing right there? You know what I'm saying? We out here networking, man. You gotta get that work in. You gotta work with the people. Oh my God. Ah! I knew I'd run into you.
You already know too. Hey, when I walked over there, because I was going on the rounds, I saw you guys like, yep.
It's time, man. It is time. Man, y'all like, hold on, let me turn this camera this way, let y'all already know who this is, man. That's my guy, the number one salsa through the city. Hey, tell them who it is, man. Go ahead.
I already know what it is. It's your boy Certified _392. You know, we out here, cars and coffee. Well, technically, gasoline and Octane. I don't know if I said that right. But look, they finally brought it back, y'all. Finally brought it back. And I've been out here since 6:30. 6:30.
No, you go that way. I gotta get the light. You was darker. I'm like, rotate,
hey, you gonna
baby.
edit that. You gonna have to edit that.
Cause you look lost like a.
And then we never get. Hold on, let me stop this. But like I said, man, we out here, man. I've been out here since 6:30, man, and it was packed literally at 7 o'clock. Ooh, look at that little thing.
Oh, he's saucy. What's up, baby? Hey, man. No. We gonna get to that.
Yeah.
We gonna get to that.
Like I said, been out here, man, been working. There's some crazy cars out here. I don't know if Pablo already made his rounds or not, but this shit go way down there. way down there. And there's some dope cars out here, man. But we moving. But like I said, man, Pablo out here working. Big shout out to my dog, my broski. Y'all already know he bringing them from the top of the 90. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, sir.
So, hey,
Look, I came in, I immediately said, y'all not getting all this content. Ain't no way I'm gonna be able to hit this whole parking lot.
B-roll, B-roll, and B-roll.
No, but that's lit though. You don't hear nothing.
yeah.
You don't really hear
That's
nothing.
the thing I like about Cars and Coffee and things like this, because they know people out here trying to get content. You know what I'm saying? So everybody ain't blasting their music and stuff. I mean, everybody might cut up a little bit because I'm gonna stay to the end when they do the, you know what I'm saying? That's what everybody want to see. That's what everybody want to see. You know what I'm saying? So.
And they say if you park it here, you can't leave till 11. I'm like, well, that's fine. That's fine.
Hey, but if y'all ain't already peak game,
check them out. Hold on, wait. You got they got to read that front first.
No,
It don't.
the back.
Oh, it's the back first.
Yeah.
It don't cost me nothing. It don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. That's my guy, man. He out here doing this thing. Little bro, what's up, guy? You all right? I told you I gonna be here, man. You all right? Why you don't get your goof ass on somewhere? What's wrong with you? Ooh, listen to that thing, bro. Yes, sir. Jeep thing go crazy. How often do you take it out?
Every other weekend.
Every other week?
Right.
Yeah. Be getting that action.
Yeah.
I can open it?
Yeah.
SRT thing go crazy. Yes, sir. Ooh, that all black hard. And y'all see, you got Diablo tune on that thing. Don't try him. He is not one of them.
I'm gonna go rep to the guy probably Monday.
And they gonna put it. So what's the process in doing that?
It's the Hellcat supercharge. You know, put it on top, make it look like the same thing the track on.
Okay.
Same thing, you know, but gonna be more horsepower.
You got the other stuff done.
6.4. But for the other gas 6.2 supercharge.
Okay.
That's the difference.
Yeah.
Some call it track out killer.
Yes, sir, Mr. Joe. Y'all see this thing? Finna hit it one time? Yes, sir. Ooh, got that boiler system on there. I like that. That thing is quietly chopping too. Oh, hey, you ain't gotta tell me. Yes, sir. Hey, I can see me. I can't have something like this because I already got that as a day side. I got it on the wing. To the front.
Yep.
Oh, hey, don't play with him. Don't play with him. Bit being simple.
What they do?
Hey, you should have brought that to the Cars and Coffee this morning.
I ain't had time, man. I messed up, man. I woke up kind of
Late.
Yeah. I'm gonna come too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They had that stuff. YouTube, what it do, man? This your boy Pablo, man. I'm out here with that boy Marley Mitch, man. We done pulled up, and he getting this, as you know, he is dropping an EP soon. You know what I'm saying? Him, got it. I think it's the second EP that he dropping. We just out here supporting, showing them. They got me in this dark alley. Don't know what's happening. I see all these people, man. What's happening, gang? What's up, man?
I don't know what else to do.
You alright? Chillin', man. Shout it out, man. Let them know who you is. They already know who you is, but let them know who you is, man.
Hey, it's Molly Mitch, man. I'm out here originally to shoot my cover photo for my album. Finna drop, I don't know when. Stop asking.
Was you able to figure out a name?
Yes.
What's the name?
Since it's not an EP and it's an album, I'ma go with what I was supposed to drop a year ago. It's called Marley's World.
Marley's World. Okay.
Because it's all type of shit. And there's all type of shit in the world.
Facts.
And it's gonna be all type of vibes. But you pick and choose, you know what I'm saying? I can't please everybody. But if you know, you know. If you don't,
Hey, excuse me, kids. Y'all know how grown people act. It's grown people. That was slug,
yeah, I had something for you, bro. I forgot out the house.
What's up, brother? Tell them who you is, man. Oh, let me get this way. There you go.
Greg Bell, we are G3media.com. Greg got the shot. Things ain't always gonna go your way, but so what?
Hey,
bro, I co-sign something. He the best in the city. I don't give a fuck.
we know that much. It's love all over the place, but I call him the GOAT. That is the GOAT. He know he the GOAT. I don't know how I feel to be so legendary, and you gotta humble yourself with it.
So humble.
Yeah, you gotta humble yourself with it.
Don't know that everybody wants. Greg got the shot.
He definitely dropped that sauce on you, you know what I'm saying? Little sprinkle of that right there, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, make sure y'all go to this website, We Are G3 Media. Grab your dad hat, man. Them bitches precious. I posted it on my Instagram. Hey,
Definitely get these.
get that dad hat, man. Them bitches hard body. But yeah, man.
Now,
That man just out here doing this thing, man. We just out here working, you know what I'm saying? Everybody trying to grind, make something happen for themselves, you know, get popping in life. And that's what these young men right here do, man. Like I say. Go ahead, bro.
follow my YouTube. I told Instagram I wanted to get to 400. That shit got me almost to 5. So I'm gonna tell Pablo, yeah, people, follow me on, subscribe to me on YouTube, Molly Mitch. I appreciate it.
Savage Gang. Go on over there, show him some love, hit that subscribe button. Like my dog certified said, don't cost me that, don't cost you that, just click that red button. And once you do that, man, welcome to Molly's World. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. Hey man, that boy hard body out here. Yeah, my bad about that train though. I'm gonna cut it back on once the train done though. Man, we are out here chilling with Molly Mitch still. Right now he's shooting a video. He got that thing going up, you know what I'm saying? He chilling. Rental. Y'all see that boy right there. Tell him who you is, man. Oh, you gotta go this way. You gotta go this way.
You gotta go this way?
And no. You get let the light hit you. There you go.
Glow_Shiesty on Instagram. Follow me on YouTube. Glow Baby Casper. Subscribe. I'm dropping new music.
So you started one?
I already have one for my music, but
Okay.
I am about to start one.
Okay.
I'm trying to make an intro video and all that. You know, I've been around you and certified. You know, I gotta be motivated.
Okay.
Jack too. Jack can't forget about Hellcat Jack.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Got all them push to a young brother. Gotta push me to do something positive, man.
Yeah. That's what's up. Alright, gang, you boy out here. Molly done finished his part. Now I'm finna give me a little quick photo shooting with the Grandmaster. Y'all already know the Grandmaster. Hey man. It look good. Show that Go Mango thing, man. That man look good.
Go Mango, go crazy.
Go Mango, go crazy.
Molly Mitch in this bitch. But the Daytona is the main focus. You know. Greg got the shot, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hook bro up. Yes, sir. Man, it's a lot of updates bro got coming. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, we got that.
Oh, no, look at that.
Oh, 100.
Shadows out of
and I appreciate y'all rocking out with the boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. You see I got the goat back there taking care of this photo shoot for the boy. And I got them young boys over there, man. You see that boy Xander, you see that boy Glow Baby Shiesty. And the one and only Marley Mitch. Y'all know the GOAT. Hey man, y'all have a good day. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come, man. I'm bringing pressure. I'm bringing pressure. Hey! Keep bringing pressure! Ad lib, man. On time. Hey! Keep bringing pressure! That's why they're my brothers, man. They're my brothers right there. I know that sun beaming, though. You see it? All right, y'all have a good day. Hell yeah. That boy Xander got that ice. Hold on, y'all check Xander out, man. Make sure y'all go to his YouTube page, hit him up on Instagram. Ooh, clarity, baby, clarity. That's it, man. Y'all have a good one.